Breaking news, the South Carolina Senate has passed a bill outlawing most abortions. Good afternoon, I'm Cody Alcorn.
And I'm Victoria Carmen. The breaking news coming from Columbia this afternoon.
So the South Carolina Senate passed a bill that would ban almost all abortions, as I mentioned, in the state. The vote landing 30-13 comes after Republicans won over new seats in the last election. The bill requires doctors to use an ultrasound to try to detect a fetal heartbeat if they think pregnant women are at least 8 weeks along. If a heartbeat is found, the abortion cannot happen.
I believe passing the heartbeat bill with exceptions for rape, incest, and fetal anomalies is the right thing for South Carolina. This bill protects the life of the unborn with a heartbeat and at the same time recognizes that under exceptional circumstances, a woman's right to choose what happens to her body is a superior right.
It doesn't protect the unborn. And it certainly doesn't protect the women who are forced into motherhood, many before they even get to experience womanhood.
Now, there are some exceptions for rape, incest, and fetal anomalies, like you just heard. Of course, we're going to be following this and let you know how it moves along in the State House.